Unique unicorns. Here's what you'll need: Sandtastik white modeling clay, Sculpey clay starter 3-piece toolkit, popsicle sticks, water bowl, rolling pin, plastic wrap, a unicorn shape cutter, acrylic paint, paintbrush, rainbow colored yarn, glue, tape, scissors, and iridescent glitter. Step 1. Carefully remove the clay from the package. Cover the clay with plastic wrap and lightly smooth out any bumps in the clay with the rolling pin. Keep the clay as thick as the shape cutter. Step 2. Firmly press the shape cutter into the clay. Remove the excess clay from around the shape cutter and smooth out any rough edges with a little bit of water. Step 3. Press the side of the popsicle stick into the clay to mark the mane, muzzle, and horn. Step 4. Pinch the clay at the top into the form of a cone. Indent lines into the cone. Step 5. Cut the mouth with a knife tool. Step 6. Indent the nostrils with a syllabus ball tool. Step 7. Add or draw in the eyes. Step 8. Shape 2 small cones out of clay and attach them on either side of the unicorn's horn. Step 9. Insert the ball stylus tool into the clay behind the unicorn's horn to create a slot that can be used for the unicorn's mane. Step 10. Allow the clay to dry for 24 hours before painting. Step 11. Paint the sculpture with acrylic paints. Step 12. Tape the ends of the rainbow-colored yarns together. Insert the yarn into the slot created behind the unicorn's horn. Step 13. Apply glue to the unicorn's horn and sprinkle with iridescent glitter to give it a magical touch. These products and more available now at Sandtastik.com.